Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the sound on your PlayStation 5 controller speaker. And there's two different ways to do this. The easiest way is to press the PlayStation button, then go on down to sound right here. Select this. Then you can go to controller speaker, and you can just slide this to the left or right to increase or decrease it. Then you can also do the same thing for music and videos right here. The second way to do this is to go up to settings, scroll on down to sound, and then go to where it says volume. And then we have the controller speaker right here that we can adjust left or right and adjust the sound. And you should be able to hear the audio coming through the controller speaker when you're adjusting this. It's like a little beep or rumble. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.